Get him.
As a bat, I'm sorry. I need blood.
Don't get me.
I'm trying to fix the
Touch you.
ceiling.
What the freak?
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Okay.
No.
Freeze. Crustacean. Abracadabra. Crustacean. Hi. You're good. Oh. Okay.
Baby, buckled up. Into nightfall.
You're gonna tag me. I'm gonna tag him. I'm gonna tag him. I'm gonna take my charger out.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
I took my charger out. Yo, golden hat. Golden hat. Golden hat. You. Golden hat.
What did I do?
Where are you?
Hello.
You want to hear me sing?
Tag. What do you mean?
Want to hear me sing?
You didn't do anything.
Hey, cats.
Now the day bleeds
into night falls, and
Bro, what is wrong with you?
to get me through it all. I
You.
I was trying to get in yourself with someone you love.
I was just about to put my charger back.
Now the day bleeds into
Wait, were you just
night.
here? Bro, up here. You missed me, buddy. Oh, just tag me. I don't care. But
Hey,
tag.
Alexa. Play Cedric's
The
playlist.
day bleeds into night falls, and
Yo,
you're
Kat,
not
Play Cedric's playlist.
to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you threw it all.
Because I don't want to. I have every cosmetic from the caves update, but I don't wear any because I don't.
I literally have every cosmetic in the shop. I see a guy.
Are you a little kid? Because you're not.
No, you are a little boy.
No, is he a little kid? Actually, were you a little kid? Was you a little kid?
He's such a fake monkey. What a shame. Guess my level was a fake. Pretty little liar. What you gonna
Where was that
say?
kid?
Tell
I'm a
me
chill
that you
guy.
love
I'm a
me.
chill guy.
Lie
I'm a
to
chill
my
guy.
face. I know you
I'm a chill
double
guy.
cross
I'm a
me.
chill guy.
Then you
I'm a
such
chill
a
guy.
fake.
Trust me, I'm a chill guy. I'm a chill guy. I won't tag anyone. Stop getting so close. I'm not gonna tag you. I'm not gonna tag you. I just want to change my cosmetics. Stop it. I said stop it.
I said stop it.
Why since I'm looking?
No, don't me. You can't.
Now the day bleeds into nightfall.
Cool tagging.
Tags here to get me through it all. I let my
Okay,
guard
I'm gonna do it.
No,
Tag me.
I'm not gonna tag any of you.
Yes, he's angry. He's angry.
What a shame.
Oh, you double crossed me. Girl, you such a baby.
fake. What a shame.
Level was a
Bro, I don't know you. Did you just see me go down there?
To my face.
Tell me that
Yeah.
you love me.
Love
Lie
me.
to my
Lie
face.
to my
I
face. I actually stayed in the same lobby.
me. Girl, you such a fake.
It's actually kind of fun being in
What a
clown.
shame. If my level was a snake. Do you wanna say that you love me? Lie to my face. No, you double crossed me. Cause you such a fake. You said was a snake.
Pretty little liar, what you gonna say? Tell me that you love me, lying to my face. I know you double cross me, girl, you such a fake.
I gotta make a jump for it.
Oh!
Oh! You got so scared. I'm sorry, bro.
You put on
Right till I can no more. Take my horse to the horse I rode. God! Touching you.
We're gonna do this without even moving.
Back, holding back. You can hear that? You can hear that? Alright.
Alright, I'm just gonna run for my life. 35%. I think I'm good for a bit.
Yo, Caps, you are so lucky. Yo, what's up, man? What? Bro, you were 200,000 miles away from me.
You motherfucker. What tag guys? Tag the list. Get it. Oh, my foot.
I don't want to stay any longer. If I'm in, I'm gonna target Mohawk. We're target him. Where's the lava? I don't see a lava monkey. So I think I'm in the clear. Who's the lava monkey? Who's the lava monk? Okay. I'm gonna go. Should we go look for him?
Sitting in the car, listen to a pop
Pull
to
up.
each other.
Like,
I'm a pretty chill guy in this game.
pull up.
Yo, what's up, bro?
You wasted
I'm
your
never
money.
gonna get it. What? That?
Huh?
That?
You
thing?
have those goddamn
Palmettos. Don't act like you don't got
No,
any.
wait.
Guess how much shiny rocks I
Wait,
have.
what's that over there?
Play. I have 200.
that over
I have
there?
247